Okay, good day, sir. This is Ventura Victor Juvenal M from BSIT 3F, and this will be my presentation for 30% completion of my our e-commerce website. Partner ko is si Jordan Twitty. So yeah, let's start. Uh, yung nagawa lang namin today is this homepage for web and homepage for mobile. Yeah. And yeah, ang we're still trying to figure out kung paano gumawa ng carousel dito sa carousel, and merong partial na nagpapakita ng partial na image yun sa bandang left and right niya. We're still trying to figure it out. And this, gumamit tayo. Every product card ay gumamit tayo ng hover effect sa web. Okay, let's test it out. Okay. Lahat ng product card ay may hover effect, as you can see. And ito, dito sa new arrivals, meron siyang horizontal scroll. Naka-repeat grid. And dito naman sa mobile ay yung carousel niya is buong image na yung nagpapakita, buong isang image na. So, ang ginawa na lang namin is repeat grid, repeat grid. Yeah. The new arrivals, the same. Repeat grid din lang with horizontal scroll. And yeah, no hovers for mobile for now. Yeah. Masasabi namin 30% to kasi dito namin sa libraries dito kami sa libraries na natagalan kasi nag-decide ng mga color combinations, font, and gumagawa ng assets, ng components. So yeah, that will be it for our 30% completion, sir. Thank you.